Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Roblox. To unfriend someone on Roblox, open up the Roblox app on your device first and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Friends option at the top, which will bring up all of your friends on the list. Select the friend you want to delete or remove from your friend list. Once you select the friend, tap the three dots in front of the chat button at the bottom and click on Unfriend from the options. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to unfriend someone on Roblox. Once confirmed, the person will be removed from your friends list and you will no longer be friends on Roblox. They will also no longer be able to see your activities on Roblox and vice versa. That is how you easily unfriend or delete a friend on Roblox. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.